The provincial government has expressed concern about the number of COVID-19 cases in Saskatchewan's Hutterite colonies, but information provided to CBC News this week by the Ministry of Health shows hundreds of cases in these communities that had not been made public until now. Overall, across the province, there have been 1,590 confirmed coronavirus cases. That's roughly 1 out of every 730 people. The new numbers reveal that 596 of those are in Hutterite communities. That translates into 1 out of every 10 people there. One University of Saskatchewan health expert says this 10% infection rate in Saskatchewan Hutterite communities reminds him of places like Italy or New York during the peak of their epidemics. He said the situation here is urgent.
We have to double our efforts to test and isolate communities and places where people live, where we know by the previous data that the virus is rapidly increasing.
Hutterite officials say most of the people living in these communities are complying with public health orders, and they say it's wrong for the government to single them out. Hutterite says cultural sensitivities and relationship building are important, but they can't hinder efforts to control the virus.
We have to actually ask the cultural communities to own the issue and to put forward a way out of this issue, because it is for their own safety, but also it is for the safety of everyone around them.
Saskatchewan Premier Scott Moe sent a tweet earlier this week thanking Hutterite communities for their cooperation. But he and others say that the numbers could go even higher. Saskatchewan Health Authority officials have yet to visit 30% of Hutterite colonies. Jason Warwick, CBC News, Saskatoon.